Hello and welcome back to With Soul. In today's class, we are going to learn about the importance of writing in learning English language. कोई भी language जब हम सीखना शुरू करते हैं तो उसके चारों skills में equally important होने के साथ साथ writing को हम सबसे ज़्यादा overlook करते हैं. So let's talk about the skill of writing in learning a new language, especially in English. So what is writing? Writing is expressing thoughts, ideas, and information using words, sentences, and structure. There should be words, there should be ideas, and there should be structure in your writing. It is one of the 4 main language skills. जब भी हम language सीखना लगते हैं, किसी भी language के 4 important skills होते हैं: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Writing turns language knowledge into practice. जितना भी knowledge हमारे पास होता है, उसको written में लेकर आना is writing. So why writing matters? Now let's talk about the importance of writing. Writing helps organize thoughts clearly. Writing की वजह से हमारे जो thoughts होते हैं वो organize होना शुरू होते हैं. We start thinking in an organized way. And it improves our grammar, vocabulary and spelling. अब हमें लगता है कि हम लिखना शुरू करेंगे तो what good would it do? Yes, it would do a lot of wonders. बहुत सारे फायदे होंगे, जिनमें से एक है ग्रामर सीखते हैं हम. जितनी ज्यादा रिटन में प्रैक्टिस होगी ग्रामर की, उतनी अच्छी हमें ग्रामर आएगी. Then we improve our vocabulary through writing and our spellings also improve when we start writing. It strengthens reading and speaking skills. Also, it builds confidence in using English correctly and creatively. Moving on to writing, how it enhances learning. अब सीखने में writing का क्या किरदार है? So when you write, you process language deeply. जब आप लिखना शुरू करते हैं तो आप दिमाग में पूरा structure बना रहे होते हैं, आपके जहन में vocabulary use हो रही होती है, आप लोग सोच रहे होते हैं कि कोई word के spellings क्या होंगे. So all of the things are continuously going on in your head and you are practicing your language. You remember new words better if you keep writing. And you learn to form logical sentences and paragraphs. हमें बहुत सारी बातें आती हैं, बहुत सारा knowledge होता है, but how to organize that knowledge into meaningful sentences and logical paragraphs? It all starts with writing process. And writing connects thinking and communication. अब हम जो सोच रहे हैं, हमारे माइंड की दुनिया और हमारी बाहर की दुनिया को कम्युनिकेशन में चेंज करती है writing. So writing builds communication skills. Now, the important point is communication skills are improved by writing practice. अब writing practice से हमारी communication skills कैसे improve होती हैं? Let's talk about that. It helps express opinions, emotions and ideas effectively. जितना ज़्यादा हम लिखेंगे, जितनी written practice होगी, उतने अच्छे से हम अपने emotions को, opinions और ideas को express कर सकेंगे. Develops a sense of audience and purpose. Who are you writing for and why are you writing? So हम किसके लिए लिख रहे हैं और क्यों लिख रहे हैं, इस सवाल का हम जवाब सोचते हैं जब हम लिख रहे होते हैं. And it's useful for academic work, professional emails, reports and creative writing. So writing is thinking made visible. So writing is the key to learning a new language. It enhances all our other 3 skills as well as it helps us communicate better and become better communicators in our real world. With that, it's the end of today's class and we'll be back with another exciting video in tomorrow's class with Soul.